Okay, good evening once again, folks. This time, ito naman po ang four-decade duo to give you songs of love and life. This time, another dedication po ang ating babasahin. Sabi niya rito, thank you for being with her for always. Sino ba nagsasalita? Siya ba o ako? Ako na lang. Thank you for being with my sister for always. Ayan. Ang kanyang request ay any love song daw para sa kanyang mga kaibigan. Kay Judy Varilla Ebihara, kay Mara Margarita, Kelly Varilla, Gina Plaza, Ellen Kaagbay Bebida. Ang hirap naman basahin. At syempre, especially to Nana, kay Miss Rosalinda Serrano. And Diba Kurt, Denise, kay Rico. Ayan. Once again, maraming salamat sa pag-aantabi nyo sa aking kapatid na nandyan sa Japan. At sa lahat sa inyo na nasa Japan, para sa inyo itong awitin na to. Para rin sa kaibigan ko na nasa Japan, kay Brother Jess Faunen na umuwi na recently dahil sa kanilang yung kwento, medyo malungkot. At saka kay, sino ba yung isang nasa Japan? Makalimutan ko ng pangalan. Anyway, sa lahat ng nasa inyo sa Japan, isang awitin mula kay Michael Murphy para sa inyo lahat.
Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts that fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more that reminiscing. Maybe this time he'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had back when they were too young to know that love is real. But somehow some things never change. And even time hasn't cooled the flame, it's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time we'll be loving, they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time we'll be loving, they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time love won't end.
Okay, once again, a piece from Michael Murphy para po sa mga kaibigan ng aking kapatid, kila Judy, Mara, Kelly, Gina, Ellen, and syempre kay Nana at kay Rico. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.